What is double digging? Time's up! It's two spade depths! How does a dibber assist? Did you guess it? The answer is making holes. Why is stratification used? The correct choice is cold treatment. Where is a cold frame placed? Answer: sunny spot. When should you divide bulbs? The answer is after flowering. What is a cloche used for? Time's up! It's protect plants. How is trench celery blanched? Did you guess it? The answer is mounding soil. Why is green manure planted? Here is the answer: soil health. Where do aphids feed? And the answer is leaf underside. What is a bannial plant? The answer is 2-year cycle. How is rust identified? The answer is orange spots. Why is potash used for crops? Here is the answer: fruit quality. When should you take cuttings? Here is the answer: early morning. What is a balanced fertilizer? Here is the answer: equal NPK. Where are stolons located? The answer is above ground. How does Epsom salt help? The answer is magnesium boost. Why is thinning seedlings done? Here is the answer: prevent crowding. What is hardening off? Did you guess it? The answer is acclimation. When should you prune roses? Here is the answer: late winter. How is powdery mildew seen? The answer is white coating. Where are pome seeds kept? Time's up! It's central core! Why is sulfur used on berries? Did you guess it? The answer is lower soil pH. What is the benefit of biochar? The answer is carbon storage. How do ladybugs help a garden? The correct choice is eating aphids. When is dormant oil applied? The answer is winter season. What is a companion for onion? And the answer is Carrots. Why use beds for clay soil? Time's up. It's better drainage. Where do slugs usually hide? The answer is damp places. How is liquid seaweed applied? Answer: foliar spray. What is an heirloom seed? And the answer is open-pollinated. When do you harvest garlic? The answer is yellowing leaves. Why is air layering used? Did you guess it? The answer is rooting stems. How do pheromone traps work? The answer is lure males. What is a common humus source? Time's up! It's compost! Where are suckers removed? The answer is leaf axils. How is Parthenocarpy defined? The answer is seedless fruit. Why is chelated iron used? Did you guess it? The answer is soil uptake. When is apical dominance lost? The correct choice is pinching tips. What is the role of cytokinin? Answer: cell division. Where is the endosperm found? Answer: inside a seed. How does a rhizome grow? The answer is horizontally. Why does guttation occur? Here is the answer: xylem pressure. What is a GDD measurement? Did you guess it? The answer is thermal heat sum. When do long day plants flower? Answer: short nights. How does xylem move water? Time's up! It's one direction! Why is silica used in soil? The answer is cell strength. Where are guard cells located? The correct choice is on stomata. What is a polyploid plant? The correct choice is more chromosomes. How is turgor pressure held? Did you guess it? The answer is osmosis. Why is the Casparian strip key? Here is the answer: filters water. Great job! Did you ace this quiz? Drop your score in the comments and challenge a friend. Hit that like button and subscribe for your daily dose of knowledge.